maganda. And I'm always a fan of Magnolia. I mean, I'm always a family and I will support every move of Magnolia. And then I have players there also. Nandun pa yung mga players. And ganun naman Homer eh. Ano of
Yes.
course, the players, yung player medyo magkakaedad, siyempre, kailangan kahit pa paano, after a few years, siyempre mga new players na yan, di ba? So, yun. And I think yun on the right track naman. And again, sabi ko nga, it's the right choice. LA is ang very smart. So, I think, yan. Yun lang, nasa tamang panahon lang. Lahat naman yan, tamang panahon.
Yes. Coach, pag mag-open yung ang Terra Firma, walang coach eh. Meron. I mean, coach, quote-unquote coach kasi tatlo sila daw eh. Tatlo silang na-assign. Pero parang instead na lucrative, parang traumatic yata yung mag-coach ka sa Terra Firma eh. But would you take that, coach? Kung mag-open yan eh. Yeah, it's a it's not gonna be it's not just a coaching job, it is a reclamation project. Kumbaga, kagaya ng Blackwater. Kasi ang San Miguel may debt 5. Ang Blackwater may debt 12. Ibig sabihin, kulelat palagi. 111 lang ang record. So, would you take that? Is that a challenge for you, coach? Kung